Okay, I'm going to show you a way for you to get your file to work. Now, granted, I have an Apple, so I don't know what kind of computer that you're using, but the premise should be the same. So I think I go under here to find that file. I'm just going to kind of start from the beginning. Okay, so here's an example. It says download the Java file. So then now, if I navigate to my downloads folder, I see that file is in there. So if you have like a notepad or something, this is what you can do. Just open it up. Then I'm going to suggest that you copy it. And then what I did is I went over here to Bluej. And this is what it looks like when I open Bluej. And so again, this is an Apple. So my crayon line's up here. And I'm going to say project, new project. And I'm just going to name it calculations V1. And I say OK. So then I say new class. And I give it a name. I'm going to call it same thing. Oops. Didn't like that, did it? Calculations V1. And it's a class and it's Java, and I just say okay. Now I get this box with these lines, so I'm going to double click on it. This stuff in here, what shows up there is just default. So remember, I had copied that code so I can right click and paste. So here is that entire class that I downloaded, and go ahead and compile it, and you see class compiled, no syntax errors. You can do editing in here, and now I say close. Now, whenever you see a Bluej file with these two lines in it, it means it's a driver program, a file you can run. So all you got to do is right click it, and then you click this line here, and it's basically saying, what are you trying to do? You're trying to run the main method. So just say okay. And here is your output. If you need to go back in and compile, just double click, change whatever you want. And if you forget to compile there, you can always just compile here as well. So make sure it's clicked, then hit compile. It should compile. Guess not. I guess you have to compile on the inside, at least maybe on the Apple. Okay, so I hope that helps. So at the end of the day, I think the moral of the story is it's not as simple as double clicking the file or doing trying to do a file open. You actually have to create a project first, is the way I'm interpreting what's going on. Let me know if you have other questions. Thanks.